Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you the quick review of Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which is a 7-inch screen tablet from 2016. So, as you can see on the screen, I got web browser on one screen and then second half is a YouTube. So this is one of the features that this tablet have. I'm not sure if you do understand the specification, but the small bit which most of the people is missing, it's the applications in our days, most of them, they are built for tablets or devices which are, let's say, middle range. The reason for it is that they're targeting the highest number of the customers, and most of the customers have middle range, computers or tablets or anything. So this is the reason why I must say that this tablet should be enough for most of the users that looking for something small, portable, which they can take anywhere, use as a navigation for the car or entertainment if they flying somewhere, or just for normal day-to-day use. So I will start from going through the specification. So the screen size is 7-inch. The resolution of the device, it's 800 on 1280 pixels. So again, some people will aim for higher resolution, but higher resolution is using more of the battery. And also in such a small screen, believe me, you're not gonna see much difference between Full HD and HD and anything further. So this one is something between Full HD and HD, but on this screen it's enough, believe me. So further on, the processing power is quad-core processor, depending on the model which you're gonna have. It's 1.3 or 1.5 GHz. Again, not much difference there. The operational memory is 1.5 gigabytes, which is also enough for most of the applications. The storage memory is 8 gigabytes, which on nowadays is not much, but luckily you can extend the memory by adding the memory card, so it's great. The back camera for taking the pictures is 5 megapixel, but for taking the pictures in low light, probably I will not recommend this, because this camera is not perfect. Also, as you can see, doesn't have a flash. So in the day, the pictures will look fine, but if it is darker, then not so much. The front-facing camera is 2 megapixel, so this is enough for having a chat via Skype or any other video calls. The camera have autofocus, which means that you can take the pictures of closer objects. Also, you can add geotagging, which means that you can switch on the GPS, and then after taking the picture, you can trace where the picture was taken, comparing this with Google Maps. So that's actually a very good feature. I think this is the most important part of the specification. So I will now go to the other side. So you can divide the screen to 2 screens, and based on that, you can extend one side, as you can see. So for example, if this is something more important which you would like to use at the moment, and then you can extend to other side if you will decide that this is actually something that you would like to use at the moment. So the screen quality, as you can see, it's really bright. It's actually very good for viewing the movies. The streaming of the video and everything is also very quick, thanks to quick wireless network card. Yeah, so this is this. The audio, I must say that this is quite loud. I was expecting it's gonna be more quiet, but as you can hear, it is loud. So yes, this is the audio. So while you are on the share screen, you can use the Google search or anything you like, and then you got small keyboard which come out as your tool. So you can move this keyboard on site somewhere where it's not gonna be disturbing your movement, and then you can just type anything you want to be found. So for example, like Samsung Galaxy, for example, and then go, and this will find on the other side all the information about Samsung Galaxy. So as you saw, everything worked very quickly. It's very responsive. If you would like to quit from share view, then the screen which you added as a second, you can just back on it and it's coming out. So as you can see now, it's only one screen. To go back to it, you just press one button and it's asking you which application you would like to use on second screen. So like I said, it's brilliant. Also, if you will find some information which you would like to share or save or anything, then you pressing the home button with power button, and the unit will take the picture of it as a screenshot and save it in your gallery. So then you can use it later on. So now I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the front of the tablet. You got the front facing camera, which you can use for selfies or video chat, video calls. Then you got the home button, which is a physical button. And then you got menu button, which is also for sharing the screen, and the go back buttons. So those buttons, they are not as a physical button, they are as a touch screen. On the back of the unit, you got the speaker, which is quite loud, as you heard. Then the camera, which is 5 megapixel. On side, you got the power button, then the volume buttons. On the bottom, you got only microphone. On the top of the unit, you have option to connect your headphones, and then connection for your charger, or for example, if you'd like to connect this to PC and then link some of the data. And then other side have connection for your memory card. So this is it. The back is made from plastic, but it's covered by some nice texture, so it's really nice in grip. It's not how to say it, it's not like polished, so it's really good. I must say I do like it as well. That was a quick review of Samsung Galaxy Tab A 7-inch screen from 2016. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.